transcendentals. That includes trigonometric functions. And so look at your formula charts right now to look and see what the heck the derivative of sine equals. Okay, so just like before, if you have addition or subtraction, you can split it up. We're going to take the derivative of this guy and take the derivative of this guy. Now this guy, the derivative of him is just going to be 2. And that's because there's no exponent except for 1 on the x. And so the 2 is just going to stand alone. In fact, a better explanation of that is if I look at the graph of this foo, if I graph that Dauge, he would look like this. He would be a straight line. Hey, question for you, Stews. What would be, I mean, you guys see the y-intercept is 0, right? Because 2x would be 2x plus 0. That would be y equals mx plus b. I don't know if you guys remember that stuff. This guy's your m, that's your b. Your y-intercept is 0. What is my slope everywhere on this line? What's my slope everywhere? 2. So it doesn't matter what point you pick, the instantaneous rate of change is 2. In fact, the tangent line would just lie on this line. It doesn't like stay on one side. But tangent line, I don't know. It's weird to say, I got a tangent line on the tangent line. So anyways, that means the derivative is always going to be 2. Now we're going to go minus 3. The number in the front multiplying just stays. The derivative of sine is cosine. And so that's it. You're done. Yay. For this one, we got a cosine. And the reason why I was hoping for a cosine is because when you take the derivative of cosine, it's not just sine, it's negative sine. Okay, there's a negative sign on it. Check out your formulas. So we got the first one, we got the derivative of negative 8x. Just like before, guys, if we had a graph of negative 8x, which would have a y-intercept of 0, every point on this line would have a slope of negative 8. It's a linear expression. That's how they roll. So we have negative 8, and then we have minus. Now the derivative of cosine is actually negative sine. So it would be minus negative sine x, but when you simplify that, it would be positive. And that's it.